Hey guys, welcome to Pepcoding. Today we are going to learn an interesting problem, minimum number of software developers. So basically, a company wants us some sets of skills, and there are some developers which have some skills, so they want to cost cut and hire minimum number of developers so that they get all the required skills. Suppose company wants 5 skills A B C D E. These are not A B C D, these are like Node.js, Python, Java, anything. 5 skills. Suppose there are 5 developers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Developer number 0 has AC skills. Developer 1 has BD skills. Then developer 2 has E or say D. Developer 3 has A, B, C, D, and 4 has E. So I want to hire minimum number of developers such that I get all the skills A, B, C, D, E. All of them. I need every skill. Okay, so let's see how we will do this. Suppose I take 0, 1 and 4. I'll get all my skills. Suppose I take 3, 4. Then also I'm getting all my skills. Okay. But minimum number of skills are getting by 3 and 4. So that my answer would be 3, 4 in this case. Okay. Yeah, we can also include 2 in any of the answers. Of course, we can also include every developer in our answer. But we want the minimum. So I am not discussing about including 2, 3 in any other answers. Okay. So first of all, let's consider that these are 5 skills. So a binary number bits, 5 bits. Let's take some 5 bits. For 0, A is true, and these are A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Yeah. So for 0th number, what is true? For 0, A is true, C is true. Rest all are false. Then B and D are true. Everything false. D true. Everything is false. A, B, C, D true, E false. False, 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 E true. So this is some kind of mask. Okay, if I get this mask, then I need to just sum up the what we say developers so that I get all ones, all skills. This has 4, this has 1. So their OR would be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. OR of 0 and 1 would be these two OR would be 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. That is equal to this. And if I do its OR with this, it will come same. Similarly, if I do all these 3 OR, then also my answer would be same because OR of this is already 1. So nothing would change. Okay. So I hope you are getting. So basic recursion that we'll do here the same thing. First let So everyone has few choices. First of all, I have nothing. I go and ask developer 1 that what you have, will you come? I'll decide that I'll include him or not. So first say let's include him. So I would be having this. If I don't include him, I would be having nothing. Then if I include developer 2, uh, the index number 1, so what I would be having this, else I would be having this. Then if I include or exclude next developer, nothing would hardly matters. Then if I include or exclude developer number 3, ABCD, still it won't matter to me. Then this is something interesting. If I include my last developer, my answer would be this, else it would be this. Similarly here, I'll get some answer, and here I won't. Okay, so the dry run of this would be done by you. I'm assuming that you can do it yourself. These are the final answers, but I won't be taking them where I am not getting all the skills. So only the answer in which both skills are attained, I'll getting them. So see here, this is important. If I include, in this case, when I was not including developer 1, if I not include developer 2, then I'll get this. If I include, get, then developer 3, not include, developer 4, that is index 3, include him, then I'll get this. Not include, include developer 5, I'll get not include, include, here I'll get 2 calls. You can do it yourself. So this is my answer that I'm interested in, because here only developer number 5 and number 4, index 4 and index 3 were included. No one else was. So this was the minimum count. So we can easily do this. Let's see. Okay. So something is already done for us. The main function is already written. Let's see what they are trying to do. They have created hash map. Okay. And then for every skills, they have put in some index I. Okay. Then they are just mapping. For every skill, they are giving a index. Then number of developers, creating a people array. Okay. And here they are just checking for the skill, and by doing this they are creating some snum, and by left shifting 1 to snum in the for loop, what they are basically doing here is they are simply creating the mask. See here, this work that we were doing, this masking work, that is being done here. Okay, that is being done here. This mask is being created. Then we call the solution. Okay, let's go to the solution, and finally we are printing some sol. What is sol? Sol is some static vector which will contain my solution. Okay, so what we have here, people, that array of all the masks, number of skills, current programmer, a vector, empty vector, which will be having some answer, all the possible answers, and that would be updated here. S mask. What is S mask? S mask is the mask, the current mask. If I am including, this was, let me show you. These are my S mask. This is my current S mask for this iteration. S mask, S mask. When my S mask becomes true, that is n skills, for all n skills, I have 1111, something like this mask, some this kind of mask. When I get this, then my answer will come. Okay, so this is my S mask. So what we need to do here is two calls, either it will come or not. The developer would be included or not. So solution, people as it is, number of skills won't change, current person would change, current programmer would be incremented. I'll go to next programmer. One sol won't change, S mask won't change. When I'm not including them, then my mask won't change. How will it change? If I include, then I'll add their mask by doing OR operation. Then what? This was called for not including. Not including. If I include them, then what will I need to do? If I am including them, then first in one sol I'll add them. You wanna come? Then okay, you are welcome. So push back. Simply I'll push back CP. Okay, your index. You are person number 4. Okay, come to my solution. Come to the company. So call for including them. Or why I am just writing it again? I can simply change the things that I need to change. So this is call for including. And remember one thing, After making the call, don't forget to remove them. We need to remove now. So if you want to check for other solutions, then my console should be empty again. So after every call, if I am returning back, then I need to remove them, that they are not necessary, else they would be already in the answer. So number of scales, person, everything would be same. In one sol I have already added work. In S mask, my S mask would be now changed. I'll add their mask. So their mask is where? We can find that in people at their particular index. Don't forget the brackets. Don't never forget using brackets when you are doing bit manipulation. For every bit operation, use brackets. Now let's discuss the base case. So if I have checked for every person, then I need to return people dot size. If I have checked for everyone, then I'll return. But before returning, I need to check that if I have my answer or not. So if my S skill, my S mask is equal to number of skills, that is left shifted. One is left shifted, number of skills time minus one. Now let me explain you why I am doing this. We know how left shift works. Suppose there were 5 developers. So what I needed was 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This was the final mark that should look like this. But if I just left shift 1 5 times, then I'll have 5 zeros. Okay. Yeah. This is something that I don't need. There's extra 1 here, and instead of 1, all are zeros. So what I do, I subtract 1. If I subtract 1, this is 0. So the carry would be taken and my answer would be 1. So here I have a borrow, minus 1. So minus 1, again carry would be taken. Again carry, borrow. Borrow would be taken. Borrow would be taken. Borrow would be taken. Borrow would be taken. So 0. So I got what I wanted. This is what I am doing here. This was the final mask. If it is equal to my skill mask, my current mask, that means I have a possible answer. Now, if it is my optimum answer or not, let's check that. Either I don't have any answer, then this would be the optimum answer if no answer is present. So solution dot size is equal to 0, or my this solution is optimum, so its size, it is having less number of programmers, is less than solution dot. Okay. If this is true, then I'll update my solution. Okay, cool. All the work is done. Code looks fine to me. Let's try to run this. It is accepted. Let's submit it. I hope guys the question is clear to you. You like the video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe to Pepcoding. All the test cases are passed. It is submitted. Thanks for watching.